This 26-foot boat came to us after being damaged by Hurricane Milton. The boatyard had taken care of the structural repairs, but the vessel still needed a full cosmetic restoration to make it look like new again and ready for delivery to its new owner. That's where 360 Yacht Services stepped in. In the first part of the video, you'll see one of our technicians performing a high-pressure wash, a crucial first step to remove layers of salt, grime, and storm debris that had built up during and after the hurricane. This helps strip away all contaminants and reveals the true condition of the gel coat underneath. After the wash, we moved on to a full detailing process, starting with a heavy cut compound to remove deep oxidation and any surface scratches caused by flying debris during the storm. We followed that with a medium polish to refine the finish, restore color depth, and revive the natural gloss of the gel coat. The final stage involved a high-speed polish using a fine-grade finishing product. This step brought out a smooth, mirror-like shine and protected the surface, ensuring that the boat is not only beautiful, but also ready to face the elements once again. We didn't stop there. We cleaned and detailed every inch of the interior, compartments, and stainless hardware, giving attention to every detail to make sure the boat looked and felt brand new. The final result speaks for itself. What you see now is a fully restored, gleaming vessel, delivered in pristine condition. The sales team was truly impressed with the transformation, and the new owner couldn't believe the boat had ever been through a hurricane. This is the power of expert detailing and gel coat restoration, and it's what we do every day at 360 Yacht Services. From storm recovery to showroom ready, we bring boats back to life with professionalism, precision, and care.
Fog descends, whispers of the lost. Soul reapers call, pay the